challenges?
Yeah. I would like to thank Aj's team for giving me this opportunity. I started looking for the diploma IFRS in the July, so I got to know about the Edges through LinkedIn and social platforms. I enrolled with them, so I enrolled within the September month. So basically, I would like to advise the people: do not register yourself. This is the mistake I've done by me, because what happened, I registered with ACCA myself, so I spent so much money on that. So if you go through the institute, you can save a lot of money. So please do not register yourself. First thing, you have to do that. And I'm a qualified chartered accountant. So basically, I have little experience about the Ind AS and IFRS. So I watched all the Vijaya ma'am recorded lecture, like from the first standard to the last one. So I did not even skip, not even one. And after that, I watched the exam tips one. So basically, I'm working full time, so I could not able to attend the live. But it is not important. You need to attend the live. You can go for the recorder also, based on your convenience. But do watch all the lectures. And after watching the lectures, I revised the BPP book, the question bank and the revision kit. I've revised twice, so not more than that. Twice I revised, and in the first revision, I only gone through. I did not do any I did not do any what to say, like practice. But in the second revision, I did only practice. I practiced like each and every question in the Excel, Word, and the last 10 days, must and should everyone should practice on the ACCA software. Then only we'll get to know how it does works. So basically, what I have done during the preparation. So if you're from the accounting background, so you need to do at least 2 revisions. Question bank and the revision kit, 2 revisions must and should do, and you need to practice at least once in the ACCA software. That is, everyone has to do must. So basically, if you are not from the accounting background, so it is advisable to go through for another 1 revision or 2 revision. You no need to do anything extra apart from the things which we deal in the EDUS lectures, like BPP books and the revision kit, and ma'am will share some slides in the classes. So apart from these things, you no need to do anything extra. You just need to do the practice. So in my case, I did not do the technical bulletins because lack of time, but I do not suggest everyone to do that. So luckily, I did not get any question on that in my exam. So if you have the time, then you have to go through the technical bulletins also. And one more thing I would like to say, like people think consolidation is very hard. It's like 2-3 hours to complete. Even in my case, what happened, when I started my IFRS classes, when I did the first question, it took me almost like 2 hours to complete the question. So, but what I have done is every day I used to take 1 question, even though I did not revise the other standard, but every day I must did 1 consolidation question. So at the end, I used to complete only for like 30 minutes or below 30 minutes. Even in exam, I used to tally the consolidation because of the practice. That thing I need to tell everyone, you have to do the practice for everything, even though you are a CA, CPR, or like from any other accounting background, because the marks are allocated in different manner. And the last thing I would like to say, do not start the consolidation question first in the exam, because you don't know like whether it will get tally or not. You will get disappointed if it doesn't get tally. So start with any other question, most question which you know, start with that, and I'll suggest to do the middle rather than the last consolidation question. So do the consolidation question middle, go through the other questions. And so last and final, I would like to say, no need to see any other stuff relating to IFRS. Just follow the lectures of Vijaya ma'am and do the BPP revision kit on the study text, and it's more than enough. Practice the questions in the Excel and Word and ACCA software. You no need to do anything extra. Yeah.
Well, thank you, Gopi. Would you like to share your, how did you balance your work with studies?
Actually, I used to study like 2 to 3 hours morning or evening. So as I'm working in EY, so basically I'm a fresher, recently qualified chartered accountant in December 21 only. So I was not having much work relating to my work-life balance. So I used to get the proper time to study, but I faced the challenge because I was doing the CPA also. So basically morning 2 hours, I used to prepare for the CPA and 2 hours for the IFRS. So it is very difficult to do that. But if there is is a way, if there is a will, there is a way, but at least 2 hours are required. Like you can get 2 hours, I think morning 1 hour, evening 1 hour. It's possible to get, it's not impossible. If you study 2 hours daily for like 2-3 months, it's easy to crack the IFRS exam. Even you can get more than 80%, honestly, if you do daily 2 to 3 hours study.
All right, thank you. Any tips, some important tips for the students who are planning to appear in June examination?
So first thing, please do attend all the lectures, either recorded or the live one. Complete all the lectures from the Vijaya ma'am. So if you are having the lack of time, please go through the recorded ones and complete the lectures, and go through only the BPP books and do not refer anything else. BPP study text, revision text, if possible, technical bulletins if you have the time, and at least must do the 2 revisions, and do not give focus on one standard, like only for the consolidation. Leases will come 10 marks, nothing like that. Even in December exam, most important standards also come for very less marks, as far as I remember. So do not give importance to any one standard specifically. Practice all the questions, give importance to all the standards. And yeah, one thing I would like to say, please do ask questions in the WhatsApp group. Utilize the WhatsApp groups very efficiently. What I used to do, so basically I just give the WhatsApp groups for the people. So whenever it's a silly doubt or it's like important, whatever the doubt it is, please ask in the WhatsApp group. It's very, very helpful. So it's like whether it's relating to administration or whether it's relating to your doubts in IFRS, please utilize the WhatsApp group. Because what happens, so we already have the Google Classroom Excel sheet, but I would suggest to ask the doubts in the WhatsApp group also, so people can respond and people also get to know what your doubt may be. The same other person also having the same doubt, and the more you explain, the more you get the clarity. Utilize the WhatsApp groups efficiently. So, and please stay away from the people like who say like it's very hard, like you cannot do this within 1 month or 2 months, you're not from the accounting background. Please avoid these kind of things while preparing for the exams.
Thank you, Gopi. Thank you so much. And we'll take questions and answers later at the end of the presentation. So thank you, Gopi, and many congratulations once again.
Thank you so much.
Which